Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Umar Yunus. I am a dental surgeon and implantologist. I have been working in Noor Hospital since 12 years as a dentist. Today, our topic will be according for the dental implants. I will demonstrate for you a patient who is having a missing teeth and why he should have the dental implant. Because if he didn't have the dental implants, the adjacent teeth will get disalignment and the upper teeth also will get disalignment from the place. This patient is having a missing teeth, first premolar. So the canine and the molar will start moving if we didn't have the dental implant placed in this area. And also the upper teeth will get affected and it can be move and disalignment all the another teeth. So dental implant in this case is very important. So dental implant is, even if you have a one teeth is missing or a multiple teeth is missing, the best way, if you are healthy, no any diabetes or any blood pressure, so you can go for dental implants. It will be very good and healthy for your teeth.